My name is Jake and this is my bike check. We're going to be starting from the top of the bike and working our way down. First thing we got at the top is some Oil Slick Snafu bar ends. I have ODI Super Soft grips, nice and soft on your hands. With the bars I have Daily Grind Tower bars in chrome, nice 4-piece bars. For the stem I've got a Salt Oil Slick stem. I have a random top cap. I have a random headset. I don't know what it is. I have a stolen wrap frame. I have a stranger seat post. A stolen wrap seat clamp thing. With the... oh yeah, I got the little Walmart sticker. I've got Eastern Cobra forks in chrome. I've got red Kenda tires, 2.25 wide. They're really nice. I like them. I've got a stolen wrap front rim laced to a Salt hub. I've got stolen Thermalite pedals with stolen mob cranks. I've got Oil Slick Colony sprocket, Shadow Conspiracy V2 chain, half link. For the back wheel, I've got Stolen Rampage, back rim and hub. I probably should learn my bike a little better. Thank you for watching my bike check. Please remember to like and subscribe. See you later, guys.